Hey, what's up folks? Troy Miner here, and in this video I am going to be talking about simple commissions and Mailbot, but more importantly, I just want to share some testimonials with you so that you could see that this is a real opportunity and there are people that are really starting to crank out instant same-day profits. Now, what is it about simple commissions and Mailbot that is highly attractive? Well, the truth is, this system is the only AI email assistant that pays you instant profits for helping others promote their opportunities. And I just want to give you an example, and I encourage you to watch this video through to the end, because I want you to see the real power behind this. And if this video resonates with you, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is going to be on YouTube, and it's also being sent out via email. Now, think about this for a second, right? The California gold rush of the early 1800s, people came from all over the world panning for gold. And the reality is that about 95% of the millions that were created were the folks that were selling the picks and the shovels. They were selling the supplies. As many of you know, I sent out an email where I was showing people how I made $1,200 in just 4 days using Mailbot, which is the product of Simple Commissions. What if you did that every week or at least once a month, right? So check out some of these testimonials. First things first, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. So you can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. And to get a quick explainer video, a 3-minute video, you're going to click that Watch Now button. And the most important thing that I want you to do is I want you to get your very own free demo by clicking this button here. It's automatically going to connect you to my Mailbot. And in the subject line, if you don't see something already there, put in send info. If there's already something pre-designed, then just send my Mailbot a message and it will give you this information. You can also, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can also go to the description after this video is done to get simple instructions. But for the time being, let's check out some of these testimonials. Now, income disclaimer: like any business, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your own personal work ethic and your ability to take action. And I don't know when it is you're watching this video, but this payment came in just yesterday. You can see my name here, Troy Miner. This was for $150. You can see the date here, August 17th, 2025. Instant payouts, but check out some of the other testimonials inside of our community. So look at this. This is just from inside of our new community that we're building out. This gentleman, Dan Froke, just got paid $100 from Donald G. The creator of the program, Jeff, way to go, Dan. So awesome to see your name in here. And Dan, thank you. I'm loving this system. All right, here's another one, right? People getting paid. Bones Rodriguez, $100 from Fred R. Christina just got paid $100 from Joel H. Bones again, $100. Bones again, $150. So these are real people that are getting results. Paul Stevenson just got paid $150 from Member. Paul got paid $150 from Maurice, right? That's $300 in a day. Here's my $150 payment that came in, and another payment for Dan for $100. Folks, many of these people are brand new to this program, but I wanted you to see the testimonials. Why? Because documentation beats conversation. Wouldn't you agree? On average, this system has been paying me about $300 a day. And what if all you did was you made $100 a day for an entire month? In 30 days, you would have a $3,000 extra income. That is life-changing money. And if you were averaging $300 a day, let's just say in the course of a month, that is $9,000, right? Don't tell me that $9,000 a month couldn't change your life. And this is just the beginning. So again, watch the 3-minute video, explainer video, giving you more of an overview. And be sure, if you haven't done so already, if you're on YouTube, go to the description, get your very own free demo of Mailbot so that you can see how this works. If you're getting this in an email, you're going to get my Mailbot email address, so you can just simply send that an email to get access to this system. And should you have any questions, look, just reply to the Mailbot. Look, this is saving you time and effort. You don't have to spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes a day trying to craft the perfect email. Mailbot does it for you. It creates the emails. It sends out your offers up to 3 different business opportunities, and it's just phenomenal. So if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Once again, my name is Troy, and I look forward to seeing your success. Take care.